grand inaugural of this wonderful event, the Spirit of Goa. Well, at this moment, we request our Minister for Tourism, Information Technology, Printing and Stationery, Sri Rohan Conte, to press the button to inaugurate the Spirit of Goa 2022, got to you by the Department of Tourism. So, ladies and gentlemen, join me in the countdown from 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, I now request our Minister, Sri Rohan Conte, to declare this festival open.
I declare the Spirit of Goa Festival open.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
I think events like this have to happen in Goa. After COVID situation which has come into Goa and the world, there has been a lot of disconnect from the people meeting each other, socializing. Goa is a destination for tourists in domestic and international. We need events like this to show our culture, our heritage, our cuisine, our things which people internationally wouldn't know. To attract them, आम्हाला थोडं change करावं लागणार. We'll need to have some event calendar which will be there for the year. We need to have all the events planned at the start of the year, and these events cannot be just 10 days, 15 days before. This is a continuance of the earlier government, but we need to have things in a very planned manner. Every event needs to showcase our part as far as Goa and the country is concerned and the world is concerned. We need to ensure that the footfalls internationally and domestically come into Goa, and त्याच्यासाठी whatever we need to plan, that thing needs to go out. Today, digital media or newsprint, more I would say digital media is the best forum for somebody to promote the event and promote Goa in the right sense. As we are talking along with Ganesh Gaonkar, our chairman of Goa Tourism Development Corporation, we both have ideas to take Goa to the next level of making it a world destination for tourists, a quality tourist. And for that mode, taking our culture out, taking our things of adventure, whether it is medical, there is heritage. It is not only going to be a talk. It is going to be something which we are going to look at delivering in terms of infrastructure, support infrastructure, and creating, as we create Goa, a safe and clean Goa. We need to ensure that we are having the right footfalls coming into Goa who are going to have the spend also, and which is going to help the economy of the state. We also need to ensure that local employment, local self-employment and local business gets an opportunity to do. This type of events give a whole ecosystem a boost. I'm happy that today's Spirit of Goa has taken off to start a new thing as far as this event calendar of tourism is concerned. We look forward to more events like this happening, which will not only showcase the one part of it, but throughout we are able to take these events everywhere. As far as Spirit of Goa is concerned, conventionally it has been showing our traditional, our Kaju Feni or our Urra Feni in different forms. If you have the stalls, you have the local cuisine which people can come and look at. And Goa is definitely known as a hub for where people as foodies would come and want to enjoy good food, drinks, have a good time and spend good money in Goa, helping the economy of the state also. So as we take things ahead, we'll look forward for a planned event calendar, which will be a yearly announcement, which will take care of the events throughout the year. So every event management company also who is able to take this type of works are able to showcase, reach out to the last person, the tourist, whom we would want here to come internationally or domestic and have some good fun in Goa. So as we take things ahead, I think these are the festivals which mean a lot to the Goans. And I could see as we went around all the stalls, we could see the sense of excitement that every person had to, because we have this spirit which is made, manufactured and showcased over here, and which is also due for exports. We also look at taking the Feni trail, which was there 2 years back, where people wanted to take it to the next level. We will also be sitting with the department and the Goa Tourism Development Corporation chairman, and have a plan ahead to take that Feni trail also ahead. So all in all, as we keep talking to the stakeholders, take more inputs and take the support of the center and the state government under Dr. Pramod Sawant, we will ensure that tourism finds its right destination for the people who would love to come and enjoy, and for us having footfalls which would contribute to the economy and the employment of the state. I met the tourism minister and the IT minister. Both the departments complement each other. In terms of Goa, if we are talking about Goa being created into a world-class destination for quality tourists, it has to be a roadmap. So we may have to have some global consultants coming on board, thinking about what we needed. Mainly, we need to understand how we can attract the high-spending tourists to Goa. It can't be only with what we have in offering. We will need to plan what they need, and we will have to showcase things what we can attract those type of people. So in terms of infrastructure, in terms of other things, we have spoken to the tourism minister. Our chairman also has met the tourism minister, and we have been assured of enough support to take Goa as a very important tourism destination internationally for the good tourists coming down to Goa, which will also help us in our economy.
So
Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it out. Work, 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 Sonora. Work that body now. Work, 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 Sonora. Work it out. I got them as a Sonora. I got it down. Watch it down to the brother. Shoot the power down and all guns well. Rock body, son. Oh yeah, I believe in you. Rock body, son. Oh yeah, I believe in you. Rock body, son. Oh yeah, I believe in you. Rock body, son. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it up now. Walk, 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 Sonora. Work your body now. Walk, 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 Sonora. Walk it out.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let me you give me more. 아이버레메니에 왔다. 가르다가 손도 주먹이다. 제레야니 제레와 났다. 아이 마카이나 동그디스다. 하고대 누가 나가. 아오이 기자기 마이. 마이 마카이나 동그디스다. 아이버레메니에 왔다. 가르다가 손도 주먹이다. 제레야니 제레와 났다. 마이 마카이나 동그디스다. 하고대 누가 나가. 마이 마카이나 동그디스다. 1, 2, 3, 4. 나서야 미소 그리라. 아이버레메니에 왔다. 가르다가 손도 주먹이다. 제레야니 제레와 났다. 마이 마카이나 동그디스다. 하고대 누가 나가. 기자기 마이. 마이 마카이나 동그디스다.